Hey there, welcome back to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in this video, we'll look at how to upgrade your Umbraco Cloud Sites environment to a new minor version. When a minor version upgrade is available, your Umbraco site is not auto-upgraded. You need to press the upgrade button in the Umbraco Cloud portal to perform the upgrade. It's always recommended to run your cloud project on the latest version since you can get access to the latest features that have been released. This is the project I wish to upgrade. It has two environments, a development and a live environment. Both these environments are running on Umbraco version 10.1.0. There's currently an upgrade available here. It's notified via a banner message and an upgrade available button on the development environment. This upgrades your development environment so you can test how everything works before pushing the upgrade to your live environment. The upgrade workflow applies to all products, that is Umbraco CMS, Umbraco Forms, and Umbraco Deploy. If you wish to view what's new in this release, you can click on What's New and read the release notes. Let's go ahead and click on the Upgrade Available button. It's important to read the instructions carefully and then click on Upgrade Umbraco. The upgrade has started and will take some time to complete. If you want to know what's happening behind the scenes, you can click on View Details. I'll fast forward this part a little bit until the upgrade has been completed. Cool. The upgrade has now been completed, and we can see the development environment is reflecting the latest minor version. I'll refresh this page. And we have an upgrade for deploy as well. I'll skip that for now. If we click View Change Details, we can see that there's a pending change. It's the file that's been updated during the upgrade process. As soon as we test everything on the development environment and check if everything works as expected, we can deploy these changes to the live environment. And then the live environment will be upgraded to the latest version as well. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to upgrade an Umbraco Cloud environment to a new minor version. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon with another one.